Hi, and welcome to another episode of Keto with Karson, featuring Rosanna. Today we're at the Daily Refresher with our friend Vic the Mixer.
Today, Vic is going to be showing us how to make a drink called Pear. This is a drink that he and his coworker Adrian invented together, and it's a cocktail that is gluten and dairy-free.
Alrighty, let's make a Pear. First of all, I like to start with a little bit of rosemary here and torch that up so we can smoke our glass. So I'll start with our Puerto Rican rum here, about 2 ounces, and then we'll go down to our 0.75 of spiced pear liqueur. We'll go to our sweet, which is 0.75 ounce of honey. And then our citrus will be 0.5 ounce of lime, fresh lime juice, and 0.5 ounces of orange juice. And for a little bitterness, we'll have 0.5 ounce of Bruto Americano. Let's shake, we're gonna shake that up. And then I'm gonna add just a touch of soda water to finish it off. Give it a nice carbonation. And then we'll add ice to our pilsner glass. And then we'll add their smoked rosemary to finish it off. The Pear.
All right, so there you have it. That's a Pear. You want to try this?
Yeah.
All right. Oop. Alcohol abuse.
Wow.
Good?
So good.
You like it?
Super good.
Right. Oh my God.
It's meant to be refreshing and boozy.
That's exactly it.
This is amazing. All right, so there you have it. That's a Pear brought to you by the Daily Refresher and Vic the Mixer.
So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Keto with Karson.
And where can we, what's the address?
293 Alexander Street, downtown Rochester. It's the Daily Refresher.
All right, so we just want to say thank you to the Daily Refresher, and yeah, we'll see you soon. Cheers.
Cheers.